Hey guys, today I wanted to discuss how to copy and paste from your Gmail account to Excel spreadsheet. Um, from here, I try to select the data from left to right just by left clicking and trying to highlight, and it doesn't seem to work. Um, Selecting your emails through this little icon that selects all and doing a Control C, opening your Excel spreadsheet and doing a Control V. For some reason now it's working. It wasn't working for me before, which is why I started to do this video. But all right, but I'm going to continue. So then you just delete these extra rows here, expand this, and there you have it. There are your emails from your subject and your body, and the time sent. Let me just go ahead and close out of this, and let's just say that's not working for you because it wasn't working for me a little bit ago. And I think the conflict was in Google Chrome. So if you just open up another browser, whether it's Firefox or your older web page that you've been using, you're able to select the old-fashioned way. Control C, and go to your Excel spreadsheet, Control V. You pretty much get the same thing. It seems to throw the alignment off a little bit, so I just realign it by just inserting a couple of rows, shift it right. Oops, I did one too many. Shift that one left. And then deleting the first three columns. And there you have it. So if Google Chrome is not working for you, try a different browser. Try to select it by just highlighting your text, or using the other feature of selecting it through this, and see if that works. Okay, as always, like, comment, and subscribe, and feel free to check out our other videos. Thanks.